Fire has a presence like nothing else man-made. It is, in a sense, the sun trapped in the matter of wood. Interacting with natural elements like fire provides many learning experiences and benefits our well-being. When we make fire, the energy released from the trees is a truly magical experience. Bringing early years children into a learning environment where they can play with fire helps to create high involvement levels and high well-being levels and puts young brains into a state of flow. Like all nature play and experience, the learning and development is often invisible to the untrained eye, as it is a part of what we call the invisible curriculum. It is the relationship and feedback between the child, the fire and the practitioner that provides the learning. Helping to make a spark for a fire provides the I did it feeling, a feeling of empowerment, and gives a sense of true agency. You can make something happen. Every fire is unique. It provides the essential risk element to play, providing the challenge and opportunity to learn about the world and themselves. They have to be responsible or risk getting hurt. It builds confidence as they try and fail and try again. It directly stimulates their curiosity and internal motivation to learn. They learn that if you respect fire, it will respect you. You can never dominate fire or arrive as its master. Rather, you continue to learn, reflect, and respond to the present moment. The weather, the materials, the wood, the group, the land, and all the variables that present themselves. Just like in life, you have to persevere and bounce back from tried and failed attempts. Making fire provides young children with a real connection to something other, a living element that provides direct feedback as a response to caretaking and their relationship with nature. Working with fire also develops children physically. They develop fine motor skills as they gather materials that are dry, the right size, in width and length, and sort them into correct piles. Fire necessitates the need to prepare yourself and the land, assess the risk and make decisions, all the while communicating to people with or around you, using a breadth of language to describe what you feel and think. Being able to light a fire is a skill that we can extend throughout our life. It helps to meet our own needs and helps us to feel capable. It can be really challenging and difficult even if you've done it before. So when you manage it, you feel really capable, effective, and ecstatic.